Hello, fabulous people. I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be a conversation on protective styling, specifically this t-shirt bun that I have on by YGN. I'm going to show you guys 3 easy ways to style this t-shirt bun so that you can be fabulous, have a hot girl summer, all the while protecting your gorgeous tresses. Before we get too far into it, if you are a new viewer, I want to say welcome. I hope that you enjoy your time here. If you are a return viewer, thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like and comment as well as share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. I am also Dyetta on Instagram, so if you head over there and give me a follow, you will get real-time updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. All right, so let's get straight into the video. As I mentioned, this t-shirt bun is from the new spring collection of YGN. It was gifted to me, so I do want to make that disclaimer, but I have purchased several of YGN's pre-loop turbans, and I also have some other t-shirt buns as well. As a matter of fact, I have one here. So this one is a solid color. Uh-oh, I've been a little too rough with the knot here. So this one is a solid color, and as you can see, it is already pre-knotted. As with all of their turbans and head wraps, the inside is satin lined. Beautiful, beautiful. I love that the headband part has elastic in it, and so it can adjust to your head accordingly, but it also gives you like a snug fit. Pre-knotted, because you guys, I don't care how many YouTube videos I've watched, I just tying a head wrap, I might as well do my hair because that's how long it takes me, right? So if I can save me some time in my life, because I'm always running late anyway. So as you can see, I already cheated. This is the first look. I have on a wig. It is not the best of wigs. It is synthetic hair. This is one of my little Amazon wigs, honey. I just put this on. Her name is Pam, in case you haven't seen it. And me talking about her on Instagram, where if you were following me, then you would have. But this is Pam. So Pam is a synthetic wig. She is heat resistant, but it's not the, real human hair wig. So it's not always of the best quality. And so this is just like a really great cheat sheet. Like if you have a wig and it might not be like in the best of conditions or the best of shape, because they can get a little raggedy and dusty looking. Okay. And I know that, and I'm new to the wig game. And so all I did is I put on my wig, because the bird's nest up here is not looking that fabulous. And voila, Pam looks refreshed. Pam looks young and vibrant. Pam looks like she is in the thick of hot girl summer. Into the thick of it. I love it, right? And so I like that I can be having a bad wig day as well, not just a day where I haven't refreshed my wash and go, or a day where my natural tresses just aren't, up to their glory. And it's easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. I didn't have to worry about the lace. I didn't have to worry about any of that. I threw the wig on. I threw this on top of it. Boom. So that is look 1. Okay, look 2 is going to be with my natural tresses. So my wash and go at this point is about 6 days old. And all I'm going to do is just take my turban, or my t-shirt bun rather. Y'all, it doesn't get any easier. So I like to cover my ears with them. It's a matter of personal preference for you. But I like to cover my ears with them. And so this is look number 2. It doesn't matter like what shape or condition your hair is in. If you use this to completely cover your hair, who's going to know? Who's going to find out? So again, as I mentioned, there is elastic that you know, is in the base of this. And so this is like snug and secure. And with me just now starting to transition to grow my hair out, so my hair isn't the longest. And so I did notice that when my hair was a little bit on the shorter side, like I would have a lot of wiggle room in my hats and different like wraps I tried to wear. I had to, if I was tying them myself, I had to tie them a little bit tighter just because I didn't have like the density of having so much hair on my head like I did before I did my umpteenth big chop in 2019. So this is look number 2. So when I tell you guys, ooh, some curls sticking out. When I tell you guys that this is easy, it like saves the day. And so I have these in pink, I have white, and I have black. And what I love about the satin lining is that it really does protect your tresses. It's not going to be causing any drying out or any breakage, which, who wants that? I don't even have like a sophisticated way to say it. Who wants that? I don't, not me. So that is look number 2. All right, look number 3. So I told y'all this video was gonna be short and to the point, and I'm glad because I just want y'all to see how easy it is. So my curls, my natural curl pattern is really, really tight. And so my wash and goes, even though they might not look good enough for me to wear it completely out, like my curls usually are tight enough and defined enough that if I wanted to leave a little bit of, you know, of a bang, I could. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So same turban, t-shirt bun. I keep calling it a turban. Same t-shirt bun. All I did was leave a little bit of the front of my hair out. Voila. Y'all, it really is, you know, that simple, that easy. So if you don't have like a shorter do like I do, you can do, maybe you have a bang, or maybe you can like pin some of your hair back to create like a faux bang, because everybody doesn't want a bang, right? Some people want their hair to be all the same length, but especially for my short naturals or my short hair girls in general, like this is, it's a look. It's a look. She is the look, she is the vibe, she is the moment. So that is 3 easy ways that you can style a pre-knotted t-shirt bun from YGN. So it doesn't just have to be one look. You do have options with versatility and to have the ability to switch up your look. It doesn't have to just be worn with your hair. As I showed you the very first look, I had on a wig that was looking a little raggedy. We put that thing on, honey, and gave her some more extended use, some life, some vibrance about herself. So there you have it. I think out of all 3 of the looks, I think this one might be my favorite. So what do you think? What's your favorite? Drop me a comment. Let me know what look is your favorite. That was intended to be easy breezy. So this is a relatively very short video. I want to thank you if you made it to the end. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this particular video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Also, I am Dieta on Instagram as well. Follow me there for real-time updates of this fabulous ride that I call life. And until next time, stay fabulous. Tell me